Look at the star apple tree. Look at the leaves. Remember they were being eaten down? The grasshoppers? Look at the leaves, guys. Garlic water. Garlic water. Yeah. It's a miracle. No aphids. This is my watermelon. Guys, I planted this about 2 weeks ago. I transplanted it about 2 weeks ago. And I cannot believe the massive growth. 2 weeks ago I transplanted these. And I have been seeing blossoms. A whole lot of blossoms. Some actually fell off. Here's another one. But what I realize is that they're all males. A lot of them fell off. They don't stay for very long. They're all males, but they're growing so fast. Here's another one. They're all males, guys. And the leaves are so huge. And it has all this space to, spread around. So I just have to mulch it because the sun is really, really hot. But anyway, watermelons love heat. So I just have to make sure I keep watering it and paying close attention to it so that, so that it survives. I'm telling you, the leaves are really huge. Very huge leaves, yeah. And the vines are thick too. So this is my first time actually planting watermelons, and they really survive like this. Guys, I also have my pop trowel growing in my backyard. I don't have a lot right now, but they're looking really nice. This one is this is a spinach. This is a spinach, guys. I want it to get really tall. I have a few more tomato seedlings that I want to plant out. Since the others are doing so well, I want to plant these out as well. But I want to put some space between them. These are pop choy seedlings, so I will have an abundance. I will have pop choy in abundance, guys, very soon. These are some more pepper plants, pepper seedlings that I'm going to transplant very soon. And some more gungo peas to transplant. Guys, this is my strawberry plant. It gave me about 8 strawberries. 8 juicy strawberries. But the leaves are dying. I don't know why. Over here the leaves are falling down. Not sure why. They're getting some black spots on them. And it's not as strong as before, so I'm gonna have to figure out what's happening. Also, there's this long stem. I researched it and I was told to just place it in some soil and it will grow, and I've done just that, and I'm seeing another little sucker coming up right here. Yeah, and I'll mulch it around soon. So as soon as it's rooted, I will just snip it off from its mother, and maybe the mother plant will get back some more life. Yeah. What do I have grown in my backyard? Lemongrass, guys, lemongrass. Smells so nice and yummy. I use it a lot for mulching because it repels the pests. And I use it to make my teas and to run away mosquitoes when they come around. Excellent. Here I have some more thyme and garlic. Guys, the sun has destroyed my chayote plant. Look, the vines are dried up. Okay, the vines dried up now, dried up. The sun. There is this one left. I don't know if it is going to survive this heat. Hopefully it will. Let's pray. If not, I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board, plant some more. Guys, here is another tree that's growing. Now I ate the fruit, but I'm not sure what it is. It was purple and it looked just like a grape, but it tasted like a cranberry. Guys, look at it. I don't know, maybe you can tell me what it is, but I don't know. But I know it's a fruit tree. It's a purple fruit the size of a grape. It tastes like cranberry. That's what it is. And it's growing vigorously here. There it is. About a year old. 1 year? Yes, about that. Now guys, this is my cherry tree. It's a huge cherry tree. Now this cherry tree is many years old. Many years. But the storm that blew last year actually blew down this huge ackee tree. It fell on top of the cherry tree and damaged a part of it. But it's reviving. Look at the star apple tree. Look at the leaves. Remember they were being eaten down? The grasshoppers? Look at the leaves, guys. Garlic water. Garlic water. Yeah. Some water. No aphids. No.